today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to create a highlight effect in PowerPoint. They're very easy to make and you can use them to present characters, team members, or any visuals you want to showcase one at a time. Let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is change the slide background to yellow. Right-click on the slide, select Format Background, and choose a yellow fill. I'm using this color for the theme of my presentation, but you can use any color you prefer. Next, insert the images you want to showcase and arrange them on the slide. In my example, I'm using Lego character PNGs. Position them on one side of the slide and leave some space for text. Now add your title and description. For the title, I'm using a font called Lego, which I downloaded from the font. To make everything look cleaner, center align your text. Now that we've completed the design, we need to create the highlight effect itself. Select the images that you don't want to be the main focus. Go to Picture Format, click Color, and convert them to black and white. Then click Corrections and reduce the brightness to make them darker. Let's repeat the process with the second image. Notice how your attention is instantly drawn to a matte. That's exactly the effect we're looking for. To create the next highlight, duplicate the slide using Command or Ctrl-D. Apply the effect to the currently highlighted image, which in this case is image. Then select Wall Style and click Reset Picture to restore its original colors. Now all that's left to do is update the title and description to match the new image. Repeat this process for Bad Cop. Apply the effect to Wall Style. Click Reset Picture on Bad Cop and update the text. Once completed, duplicate one of your existing slides and remove the text. Then restore all the images to their original appearance and arrange them in the center. Create an opening scene before the presentation begins. Finally, let's add the transitions. Apply morph between the intro slide and the first highlighted slide. For the remaining slides, use a simple feed transition. And that's it. Our first set of highlight effect slides is finished. For the next effect, I'll begin by inserting a rectangle that will act as an image placeholder. Position it, then hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging it to the right to duplicate it 3 more times. Select all the rectangles using Shift, then click Shape Format, choose Align Middle, and distribute horizontally. Right-click a rectangle and select Format Shape. Choose Picture or Texture Fill and make sure no line is selected. The last step is to insert your images into the placeholder. If an image appears set, click the small arrow next to Crop, select Fill, and adjust the image however you like. Once you've finished adding your images, you should have something like this. Insert your text by clicking on Text Box and dragging it onto the slide. I'll change the font to Star Jetty, which I also downloaded from the font. Select both the image and text. Make sure they're center aligned and repeat this process for the remaining characters. Duplicate the text box 3 more times and type the characters' names. Now that the design is complete, it's time to create the highlight effect. Start by inserting a rectangle over your images. Right-click it, select Format Shape, choose No Line, and change the fill color to black. Increase the transparency to around 45%. Duplicate the slide 4 more times using Command or Ctrl-D. On the next slide, reposition your rectangle so it only covers the images you want to dim. Duplicate it again and reposition it over the next image. Keep repeating this process, shifting the highlight effect on every slide. You reach the last slide, delete the rectangle so all the images become visible. The final step is to select all your slides, click Transitions, and apply a feed transition. And that's it. With a few adjustments and transitions, you've created a highlight effect in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.